door!
Yeah!
How could this happen?
Hey, knucklehead!
Oh, just hurry up and take it!
Good shot!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Now! Yes! Now! Good shot!
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss!
Keep trying, baby!
Ooh, yeah! I wanna headbutt you! Say goodbye to your kneecaps, chucklehead!
Yeah! How could this happen?
Oh, hey! You suck!
Who keeps piles of boxes around? Honestly!
Oh, don't you talk about my boxes! I like boxes!
That's the fuckest thing I ever heard, shit mop!
Shitload of fuck!
Fuck monkey!
I'm giving you both middle fingers at full force!
Cow humping transvestite!
B5-0, fuck you!
Ass blower!
You turd burglar! Rabble, rabble, rabble!
Oh, look at me! I'm the angry video gamer!
Fuck you, fuck you, dick, 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 dick! Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you,
I
dick,
like
dick,
to
dick!
do stupid things because I smell
Shut up! Shut up!
Fuck you little fuck this fuck more fuck ain't fuck is there fucking fuck in a fucking world? Fuck 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 knocker!
Jerk!
That's it!
Panic boom! Panic boom! Yeah!
How's that feel, wimp?
You are going to need much bigger guns!
You got anything smart to say now? Play ball!
Now is coward killing time!
Eat it, fatty!
Yes! Oh! It's good time to run, coward!
Yeah, why don't you come over and say that to my face, tough guy? I'm running circles around you! Who wants some of this? Not so tough now, are you? Are you?
No! No! No!
Hey, a lot of good that gun did ya? Hey, knucklehead! I'm talking to you!
Wait! Wait! Would you let your brother die?
Brother? You're my brother?
Yes, I am your brother!
Well then, surely you know the name of our mother.
Well, of course I know the name of our mother! Elizabeth... Oh, blame a guy for trying!
Now is coward killing time! You are dead! It's not possible!
Yes! Get over here and help me defend.